What's up, guys? In this video, we're in Sam Houston National Forest, where we'll be doing some hot tent camping, experimenting with some new camp recipes, and enjoying the last cold weekend of the year. Join me on this fun little adventure. So I came here about 5 or 6 years ago, and I camped at a really nice spot off Service Road 208. And I just came back from over there, and there's a prescribed burn going on right now, so I'm just searching for another spot I can camp at. That's the bad thing about these hot tents. There's a big gap on the bottom of these tents and spiders will get in here. I've already killed 3 of them in here and 1 just crawled under my bed. Luckily the sleeping area is like enclosed, so you can't get into my actual sleeping area as long as I keep my zipper zipped. Got these little bubble cake things from Trader Joe's. We usually air fry it at home. They're actually pretty good, but I'm just going to cook it up on the stove and see how it turns out. I just killed the 4th spider in here. If I sit quietly, I can hear them walking around on my ground tarp. It's so creepy. I'll just be sitting here quietly and hear this. Ugh. I think I'm gonna add some fire to this stove and go crawl into the sleeping area because it's sealed. Good morning. Got pretty chilly last night. It was like low 30s. Had to wake up every couple hours to keep adding wood to the stove. But we stayed pretty toasty in here. It was probably like mid 70s to high 70s all night. But we stayed warm in the tent. Got woken up by a pack of coyotes around 3 a.m. Sounds like they were hunting something. It sounded pretty close, but it was really cool to hear. There's no better smell in the morning than fresh ground coffee. Alright guys, thanks for joining me in my first hot tent experience. This was my first time using a hot stove and I can't wait to do it again. Next time I'll probably use a different stove though. As for the Naturehike Icefield hot stove, I really wanted to love it, but I can't say I would recommend it. If you're interested why, I have a full review of it in the descriptions below. Thanks for watching, stay warm, stay adventurous, and I'll see you in the next one.